What is a cryptocurrency payment gateway and how does it work? The cryptocurrency payment gateway is like all common payment gateways that have been used so far for online shopping and sales, with the difference that they use cryptocurrencies to carry out their transactions. When the customer completes his online purchase and goes to the payment page, he can choose the Pay with Cryptocurrency option. By clicking on this option, the customer will be directed to the cryptocurrency payment gateway. After customer chooses the desired cryptocurrency which he wants to pay with, the gateway will show the amount of cryptocurrency that he has to pay based on its exchange rates in the global market at that moment. After the customer deposits that amount into the wallet shown, he will see the message, "Payment successful," and is returned to the receiving website to continue the purchase process. For more information, visit payment4.com. Payment4 support team will answer your questions.